Hazrat Ata said about the man who was performing tawaf and call to the congregation was released, or he is removed from his place. He, after performing salutation, should resume the tawaf from where he had left it. The same is also stated by Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhum. Hazrat Nafi reports that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would perform 2 units after every 7 circuits. Ismail bin Umayyah narrates that he told Zuhri that Ata said, obligatory prayer compensates the 2 units of tawaf. He said, the practice of the Prophet ﷺ is preferable. Whenever the Prophet ﷺ made 7 circuits, he ﷺ performed 2 units. Hazrat Amr reports that they asked Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, can a man practice coitus with his wife before marching between Safa and Marwa while performing Umrah? He said, Allah's Apostle ﷺ came and made 7 circuits of Allah's house. Then he ﷺ performed 2 units behind Ibrahim's station and moved between Safa and Marwa and said, undoubtedly you have the best in the following of Allah's Apostle ﷺ. Surah Ahzab verse 21. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 1623.